We are here today at the Aquarium in the Pacific to do a couple labs. We've got squiggly wigglies, aquaculture, and then a plankton lab. So we're gonna have tons of fun.
We are excited to see the fish. I really want to see the axolotl. I want to touch a shark.
I love Excel field trips because it provides an opportunity for me to get out of the house and do something fun and learn with my kids while just being able to create memories.
Today in the workshop we learned about plankton and you need a microscope for it.
I thought they were about like this big, but they're actually really small.
Field trips like this are exciting to me because I get to hang out with my friends while also exploring about different sea creatures, and I love sea creatures.
Thank you to Excel, and thank you to all of our families. Be sure to check out all of our future events and field trips.
We love Excel. We love Excel.